Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. Glad you're with us tonight. So online shopping just got a lot more expensive. The Supreme Court ruling today allows for states to collect sales taxes from online retailers even if they don't have a brick and mortar location.
And that could mean price jumps for online shoppers. So Sally Mamdouh is here now to explain all of this. Sally?
And Ann, just to put things in perspective, if you bought something online from a retailer that's not local before this ruling, the state relied on the fact that you would include the sales tax you didn't pay up front when you file your taxes at the end of the year. Something the state tells me wasn't reliable and wasn't beneficial for the overall local economy. The new Supreme Court ruling ending the tax collection standards for online retailers is drawing plenty of praise from the state and local businesses. The ruling overturned South Dakota versus Wayfair decision that required an online retailer to collect sales taxes only if they had a physical address at the state where the transaction was taking place.
What this ruling will do is it will require all retailers to collect tax at the time of the transaction, and therefore it creates an equal playing field.
Director of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Michael Hartman, says in Colorado, local businesses already include their sales tax at the time of the purchase. Under the new ruling, online shoppers will no longer have to include their sales tax they didn't pay up front in their tax filings every year. The sales tax is already paid up front. So if you're an avid online shopper, here's what this ruling would mean for you. If you shop online at these big retailers like Amazon.com and Macy's, you're already paying sales tax up front because of several local warehouses spread throughout the country. But if there's no local warehouses around you, you might start seeing a jump in prices, which to some shoppers takes the fun out of online shopping.
I guess it kind of sucks. It definitely increases the price, which isn't good. I mean, depending on the rate, it might make me think differently about purchasing.
But to other online shoppers, there's a need for the sales tax.
We should pay taxes. Taxes are important. Like, we can't have like a strong social platform for the citizens of our country unless we're paying a fair amount of taxes.
Colorado Retail Council says they've lobbied for the court's decision for the past 20 years. Today, they released this statement to us saying, quote, "This is a big victory for Colorado's Main Street retailers who have been laboring under an unfair government taxation system for decades against out-of-state online retailers." The new ruling is also expected to help Colorado efficiently track its sales tax that would help increase the state's revenue that would go towards paying for schools, state programs, and social services.
But as the digital economy has come and people utilize the internet and technology to purchase things from outside of their local jurisdiction, it's become a much more relevant presence that being able to collect those taxes is important for the state.
Now, you won't notice that sales tax right away in your online receipts. The state tells us they're still trying to figure out how they would go about implementing those new changes.
Time to catch up with technology, I suppose. All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Sally.